Hey everyone, welcome to this quick tips. If you are trying to find your Wi-Fi hotspot password on your Android phone, you are in the right place. Today, I will show you how to find it step by step and in a very easy way. So let's get started. First, open the settings app on your phone. You can find it on your home screen or in app list. Now scroll down and tap on connections. On some phones, this might be called network and internet. Next, scroll and find tethering or hotspot. Tap on it to open the options. Here, tap on Wi-Fi tethering or Wi-Fi hotspot. Now you will see your hotspot name and right below it your password. Some Android phones hide the password when the hotspot is turned off. So if you don't see it, just turn the hotspot on and the password will be visible. And that's it. Now you know how to find your Wi-Fi hotspot password on Android quick and easy. If you liked this quick tip, please like and share the video and subscribe to this channel for more quick tips. I will see you in the next one.